Welcome back everyone. In this video, we are gonna install Anaconda for working with different data analytics and machine learning projects. This is useful for any kind of data analytics task you will be doing throughout our journey of data analytics and data science. First of all, what is Anaconda? Let's answer that question. Anaconda is a data science workbench or toolkit with most of the data science tools installed in it. When you are working on a data science project, you will need different libraries and packages for working with data. You can definitely install those libraries yourself, but that would become tedious. Your main task is to explore the data and build machine learning models, and not to install those packages. That's where Anaconda comes in. It comes with most common machine learning packages installed in it. So you simply have to launch the Jupyter notebook and you are ready to work on data science project. You need pandas for exploratory data analysis. You've got it in Anaconda distribution. So this way, Anaconda makes it really easy to work on data science projects. Anaconda also comes with command line tool, conda, which allows you to have different virtual environments for different data science projects, just like Python virtual environments. This way, you can use one version of pandas library in one project and another version for a separate project. This is quite common in the industry. Your project level dependencies may not match across different projects. That's where conda virtual environments can come in handy. We will see how to create and use virtual environment using conda in a separate video. In this video, we are simply gonna install Anaconda distribution in our Windows PC. It will take around 2 GB of hard disk space in your system. There is also a lightweight version called Miniconda, which takes around 400 megabytes. So if you are short of hard disk space, you can install that and follow along. The only major difference is that Miniconda doesn't have GUI and we have to install our own packages. But not to worry, I will show you how you can install them. For installing Anaconda, go to your favorite web browser, type anaconda.com/products/individual. Here you can click on this download button and it will take you down to each operating system downloads. I'm using Windows 64-bit version, so I will click on this installer. It will download the Windows installation file. Depending on your internet speed, it may take some time, so I'm going to pause the video for a moment and come back once the download has finished. The download has finished for me. It took about 2 minutes for me. Now I can navigate to default downloads location in my PC. Here you can see that I have this Anaconda executable file. So double click on that. It will start the normal installation wizard for Windows operating system. Click Next. You can read through this license agreement and click on I agree. Now it's asking whether we want to install for this specific user or all the users. I'm going to keep the default and click Next. It's asking for installation directory for Anaconda. You can modify this using this Browse button, but I'm going to keep it as default. You can see that it will take around this much space in my computer. So make sure you have enough space in your system. Click Next. Keep this option as default and click on the Install button. This will start the installation process in Windows. Now it's going to install all the files and it will take some time, so I will pause the video again and come back once the installation has finished. My installation has finished. Click Next. Again click Next. I'm going to uncheck these two prompts and click Finish. Now we have Anaconda distribution in our Windows PC. You can go to this search bar and type Anaconda. You should be able to see Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda Prompt. Anaconda Prompt is where you will use conda commands to create virtual environments and use them. Let's see what is this Anaconda Navigator. Click on that. It will take up some time before it launches this interface. This is not available if you have installed Miniconda. Here you can see different tools for working with data. In this tutorial series, we are mostly going to work on Jupyter notebooks. You can simply click on this Launch button to launch Jupyter Notebook interface. It's a web-based interface where you can work with Python interactively. We will see all the features of this Jupyter Notebook in the upcoming video. So let's go through different elements of this interface in the next video.